morning, beautiful people. How you guys doing? It's your boy Mark. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you guys here. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, just keep watching. It's fine. Today, I'm gonna take the R34 to Original Auto. In one of the previous vlogs, I don't know if you guys could hear it. I know I definitely said it, that the car was misfiring up top a little bit. Again, I'm not paying too much attention to this, but I do want to drive it hard until I do the motor swap. So it's probably just spark plugs or something like that. I'm gonna take it to Original Auto. He's already got spark plugs there. I'll just change it. If one of the coils are going out, I have R35 coil pack there. We'll just replace the R35 coil real quick. Call it a day. That's all we're doing for today. Check out my boy, Stilo. His E30 M3 Vert. Now, from my understanding, these are pretty rare. The convertible Vert E30 M3s. Super sick, super clean. It's actually, I would argue that it's mint. And very, very sick. It's here at AR. Obviously, you know, Ron's gonna fucking put the sauce on this car, so we'll see what it looks like. I'll show you guys. But yeah, I gotta move the Supra, move this back, take the R34 and go to Original. So I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, where are we? What is this? Over there. We're here. We made it. Made it to Original. You guys need help? I got my work shoes on, bro. There it is. Made it here, Original. I didn't want to get any driving shots because you guys seen way too many of those already. It's boring. I just want to get right to it. Beautiful day with the green carbon here and the purple. Sunny day over here in Van Nuys. A shorty over there. And of course,
about to get melted.
El Chapo over here. Pablo. We never changed the spark plugs, so he's almost positive it's spark plugs.
Hopefully, yeah, I think so.
Because it's only happening at the
top end.
On the top end, yeah, when I get in the boost. So.
We never changed them.
Yeah, they're probably pretty old. There's two R33s here. They both look very similar, and they both have BBSs on it. So I guess BBS gang. A lot of you guys don't know that LMs are actually JDM. They're made in Japan. So a lot of people, they think, did you know that?
Yeah, I knew that.
Yeah, so a lot of people think BBS, European, what are you putting on a Japanese car? Yeah. But LMs and LMRs are actually made in Japan. So it makes sense, all these fucking Japanese cars coming from Japan with BBSs on it. Now, they don't have the right lips. The offset's not right, but this is more track spec. You know, where you could turn all the way and stuff like that. But you know, if you guys want the right offset, just come over to AR Motorworks and we'll make you a set, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we'll see what's up with this and then go from there. Dude, for the amount of burnouts I'm doing, I have so much tread left. Shout outs to Toyo. Shout outs to Toyo, it still looks brand new. So yeah, we'll see what happens when we pull these out. Alright guys, this is my boy Brian's motor. Brian Gold, he's got the black R34. He's a good homie of mine. This is his motor. It's all like basically eBay parts. Like all this shit is all from eBay, right? It's like, yeah, so this was like 200 bucks and he's using like cheap shit. But it looks pretty, it looks, yeah, offer up. It looks pretty good, you know. This is a little big boy. What is this? 76? 76? So what's he trying to do? 1250? 13?
11.
That's safe.
24U.
So N1 block over here. Fully built, I'm assuming 2.8?
No.
2.6?
2.6.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought he went 2.8.
No. He has a 2.8, but this is not.
Okay, so it's a fully built 2.6 N1 block motor. He's gonna try to push 1100 on it. He's got the sequential and stuff, so yeah. What is this, the IGNs?
35.
Oh, 35 coils. So. And you know Brian loves trannies. So that's his right there. He loves trannies. So shout outs to you, Brian. You got a tight little tranny over there. Hopefully you slam it hard. Slam that tranny hard, Brian. So yeah. Let's see what happened here. Hot, hot, hot. So these are my spark plugs. That I had in there. Pretty fucking old. So we're just gonna put new ones. NGK iridiums. And he's gonna gap them. So he's gonna gap these nuts. So you're gapping me?
I'm gapping you.
Gapplebees?
Gapplebees.
So Pablo was telling me earlier, you guys, that he gaps it to 0.18.
0.018.
0.018 because if you have nitrous, it gives it more nitrous.
Because if it's too far apart, it won't fire. If you know, the more boost you have, the less the gap. It's just the way it works.
Yeah, and if it's too close,
if it's too close, it won't fire. Because if it's touching, it won't create that arc that you see.
That you need. So we don't know for sure if it's the spark plugs, but based on his expertise and the way that they fucking look, pretty sure it's the spark plugs that's causing some misfiring up top. It's either that or the coils. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna work, and
we'll find the issue.
We'll one step at a time.
Yeah. That 33, same shit. He had this, and I put it on the dyno, and it started misfiring horrible. I'm like, what the fuck? And changed the plugs, nothing. Same thing.
Close the coil pack.
Yeah.
By the way, I thought I had R35 coils. They're Spitfire coils.
Japanese.
Yeah, my mistake.
And then I put 35, done.
Problem solved.
Problem solved.
I mean, do you have to rewire if I change
No.
to 35? It's just plug and play, right?
You're lucky because the 35s are going to play. Anything else is not.
Oh. Yeah, so 35 coils are like 25 bucks each, right?
They're, I believe so. But
Yeah.
just get the Hitachi ones. Don't get any other brand.
Do you have any here just in case?
Yeah.
Okay. So why am I gonna get it somewhere else? I can get it from you.
Right?
All right, guys. So I showed you the old spark plug here. Obviously, it's old, but Chris from Original made a good point that these were never gapped properly. So you could see that there's space right there. I don't know if it's focusing, and we checked, and so a lot of the misfiring could have been caused by it not being gapped properly or gapped a little bit closer. So at the very least, we put new ones because it needed it, and we gapped it where it's supposed to be. And also, I didn't have any E85 gas stations around me at the time, and I really needed gas, so I put 100 octane, and with my flex fuel sensor, putting 100 octane probably made it run super rich, so I was choking it too, so that could also explain a lot of the misfiring too. But yeah, all this shit should be fixed and solved. I'll be on my way soon, so we'll see how it is. All right, guys, you guys don't need to fucking see every little detail. He just basic spark plug change. He changed it. We think it's gonna work. I don't want to test it now because I still have some 100 octane in there, so I'll let it drain a little bit and then put the 85 and then test it. If it doesn't work, it's probably the coils. I'll change R35. So whatever. Thanks.
Thank you.
Pablo, Shorty, brother, nice meeting you. This guy's 2J right here. Yeah, it's got a 2J for sure. I heard it. Okay, just checking. Okay. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys back at the shop. Peace. So yeah, I just shoved the R34 back off here at the shop. I'm gonna do a proper transition because this guy doesn't know how to start a transition, and let me film, but he doesn't end it. So here's the transition, and you can keep it now.
What?
This. So now you can film whatever you want.
Okay, yeah, so basically Mark's a fucking idiot. Doesn't know what he's doing. Pretty sure he should just sell both of his cars. All right, bye.